Hi guys, this is Ben here with Pierre Driving School, covering a question again. Today, the question I'd like to answer is, a lot of students have been asking us, how many times can they use the 5-hour certificate after it's expired? Can I use my certificate after it's expired? How many times can I use it, all right? Now, to answer this question, I'd like to shoot this video regarding this question, so I can get this together for you, because we've been seeing a lot of confusion around this topic. Now, stay with me here. Make sure you get the clarity around this topic, all right? Now, for the purpose of road test, after your 5-hour class is expired, depending on how long it's been expired, you may not even able to use that certificate. However, since the DMV road test here in Brooklyn takes anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, you get 1 month, which is 4 weeks after your expiration of your 5-hour certificate, in order for you to use that certificate, right? You get at least 4 to 1 month, which is 4 weeks after the expiration of the certificate, so you can use it. However, if you've done a road test within the time the expiration of the certificate, you cannot use it again after that 1 month, all right? The time that you get to use that certificate is only once after the expiration date. What do I mean by that? Let's say that you've done a road test and it's been less than a month, you get another road test again, you cannot use that same certificate for that same road, for another road test. Is not gonna be good. You get one try after the certificate is expired. You get one try after the certificate is expired for you to be able to go to your road test with no problem, all right? What I mean by that, let's say that you get 4 weeks, but before the 4 weeks ran out, you already go ahead and get your second road test. You cannot use that certificate, all right? You can only use that certificate one time after the expiration date of the certificate, then you're good to go. Now, what happened if you did not use the certificate within that month and it's been 2 months past since the certificate has been expired? You cannot use that road test. If it's been 2 months after the expiration of the certificate, then you then schedule your road test in time, you will not be able to use that certificate for a road test here in Brooklyn. You will have to do another certificate in order for you to go for your road test, all right? So I've been seeing a lot of people get this confusion, thinking that since they got a month after the expiration of the certificate, they can do as many road tests as possible within that month with the same expired certificate. That cannot be, all right? Make sure you got that together. And same thing apply for the driver's ed, for the driver's ed certificate, which is valid for 2 years, a little bit longer than the 5-hour class, all right, guys? So, you know, people always want to get over thinking that things are not being monitored. DMV are very on top of those things, okay? Your certificate after the expiration date, you can do one more road test with that certificate if it's within a month time off of the expiration of the certificate, since it takes between 4 to 6 weeks to get a road test within the DMV scheduling system, all right? So I just want to make sure I cover that for you guys, because we have that this week over 3 times, but most of the people, they schedule their own road test, whereas we just take them for the road test. And when they get to the DMV road test site, they're telling them that their certificate is expired. They cannot take the road test, but they're saying the driving school said that they also can do another road test within a month, but they never mention to the driving school that they have already done one road test in the expiration of their certificate, all right, guys? So I want to make sure we get that covered with you. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do that by hitting the subscribe button and also ring the notification icon, so each time we drop one of these videos, so you'll be the first one to be notified. If you have any question or comment you want to ask us, or you want to put down on the description below, because that's where we go and pick up all of our questions to make sure that we get as much as we can content in for you guys, so to make driving easy and much very possible for you to not only be safe on the road and to brush up on your driving skills, also you'll be able to pass your road test with no problem. All right. Until then, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Paul Driving School. If you need any help with all your driving all your driving thing, and you live in the metropolitan area, specifically in New York City and Brooklyn, you can reach us out and check our website, pierrepaul.driving.com, and from there we can help you with all your driving needs. Until then, again, keep practicing. Take care now. This has been with Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care.